Hey, this is Shawn for Shawn Cole Enterprises, Royalty affiliate. Um, just want to stop and give you some updates about Royalty and some updates that have been going on since the last time I have spoken with you, um, and about some things that we also have coming up. What you see here on my screen here is which is coming up in March. We are now giving you advanced analytics. You've been asking for it. Royalty has provided it for you, and it's coming at no extra cost. So that's the best thing about it. Everybody loves getting stuff for free, and that's what Royalty is real big on providing over providing for their customers and their clients to get you where you need to be in regards to your online marketing presence. Um, Before we just had the basic analytics as far as impressions and how many clicks that you received on your ad. Now we can tell you exactly analytics provided by Google, as you see here, powered by Google. You get click demographics of age, gender, device, their location, a list of your latest clicks, and the amount of clicks and what days the clicks came and how many came in during that particular day. Very powerful information so that you can really dig deep into your numbers and see how your ad is performing and what tweaks you might need to make your ad perform better for your business. Again, at no additional cost to you. Very powerful. Um, Good job, Royalty. You satisfied a lot of customers as far as requests, and they always said it was coming, and it is coming. And here's your sneak peek of exactly what it would look like, right here. Very good. Good job, Royalty. Also, new is that Royalty now, you will now be able to create ads on your desktop. Previously, you were only able to create ads using the Upline Ads app or the Uplines app. Now, you can now do everything from your desktop, laptop, and which a lot of people like to work better on because they have a lot more of their stock photos and just feel a little bit more comfortable sitting in front of their laptop or desktop doing work. So they have given that to you. That is live now on the Upline Ads app, which I've already did a preview video on. Just look through my library and you'll find it. And you could go in, you could dig in, you could change your stock photos, do the total ad creation now currently on your desktop. So two new big announcements right here for the month of March 2019. Royalty has added ad creation with desktop capabilities now that you've been asking for, and also coming later this month, which I will do a review on once it is live, is that you will get full analytics for your ad. Full analytics, breaking down demographics, age, location, the device, all your big time Google Analytics. Royalty will be providing that for you. Big news, big happenings, and again, at no extra cost to you. And also, if you missed it in my previous video, in where last month Royalty announced that their landing page platform was live, and that also that you get for free with your membership. Um, they also were giving you free leads to geared towards your niche. So say if you were in the health and wellness niche, you will get health and wellness ads. If you were a realtor, you will get realtor leads. If you were in the make money online niche, you'll get make money online leads, and they will power through a search engine that Royalty has teamed with. Powerful. So again, that's three new things in the past 2 months that they've given to their clients, their customers for free. Like I said, you could get in at a very low price point with a deposit of $77, and for $47 a month, you can have all these powerful tools along with our very powerful product, which being the VF Gem, which can get you a minimum guaranteed of 5,000 impressions on your business per month. way more value than what you're paying for. It's a no-brainer with our system that has basically taken online advertising and simplified it for business owners. Now, where before you had to go all these different platforms to place your ads, you now place your ads from one central location through one simple process, and you can blast it out across hundreds of apps through our partnership network. Unbeatable. If this resonates with you, you think you could use this for your business, or if you're interested in selling it, be sure to reach out to me, contact me. The links for you to sign up will be in the description of this video. You can reach out to me personally if you have any questions. Shawn Cole, 410-929-3390. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have. If you're interested in becoming an affiliate and enjoying our lucrative affiliate program, contact me, Shawn Cole, 410-929-3390. I'll be glad to set you up, walk you hand by hand through our process to set you up so that you can be successful in your online home-based business. Thank you for your time. I'll be looking forward to hearing from you, and have a great day. And continue to follow Royaltie and to come to my channel for all news royalty and for all updates that we have coming soon. And look out for my review of our analytics once they go live later this month. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.